breaking news. Tonight, a mutated strain of COVID-19, now referred to by experts as COVID-23, is sweeping across regions at an alarming rate. But this isn't just another wave. This new variant is showing symptoms unlike anything we've seen before. And some are calling it the beginning of a zombie apocalypse. COVID-19 is an RNA-based virus from the same coronavirus family as the original SARS-CoV-2. But while the original virus primarily attacks the respiratory system, this one targets the brain. First discovered in a remote region, it quickly crossed borders, which affected both humans and animals in dense urban areas. Symptoms begin with typical signs: fever, cough, fatigue, but within hours, victims start experiencing neurological breakdowns, like confusion, loss of memory, and even in some cases, complete disorientation. Witnesses have described infected individuals grunting, wandering in small groups, and showing sudden violent behavior. These symptoms eerily are similar to those seen in zombie movies. In isolated cases, individuals have been observed attacking others, apparently unaware of their own actions. Doctors warn that motor function becomes erratic, with muscle spasms and a stiff, staggering walk, not unlike what we've seen in cinematic depictions of the undead. The virus is highly contagious, spreading not only through respiratory droplets, but also through direct contact and contaminated surfaces. Experts say COVID-19 survives up to 72 hours on surfaces, especially in dark and cold environments, which makes basements, subways, and poorly ventilated areas especially dangerous. Antivirals like Paxlovid and Remdesivir are being administered, but with limited success. The virus seems to resist typical treatment protocols, mutating rapidly as it spreads. Even vaccinated individuals are showing symptoms, though early data suggests vaccines may slow progression, which buys time for care. In just 2 months, the death toll has climbed past 500,000, and the number of infected is rising a lot. Countries are enforcing strict curfews and declaring martial law. Survival rates are dropping, especially among the elderly and those with weakened immune systems. What makes this virus truly terrifying is its effect on the brain. Experts at the CDC report that COVID-19 may be altering brain chemistry, which affects areas tied to aggression, memory, and also emotion. This opens the door to the unthinkable, a virus capable of turning ordinary people into unpredictable, violent versions of themselves. In fiction, zombies are caused by mysterious infections, but here in 2025, scientific fiction and reality are beginning to blur, with neurological systems progressing rapidly and no cure in sight. The question isn't if we'll stop the spread, it's whether we still can. Remember to stay safe and do not go outside. Do not engage with the infected. This is not a movie. This is not a joke. This is COVID-19, and this is our new reality.